Hello Cravers, it's another day, it's another Craving Adventures. Hello Cravers, Nurse Craves here, and it's another video na i-share namin sa inyo ang aming experience in traveling. In this video, we started our trip here in Doha, Qatar. As far as you know, we are OFW from Qatar. And my travel buddy in this video is Ate Kate and Paul. And then later on, susunod ang sister ni Ate Kate. And just to share with you, Cravers, our destination for this trip is the Land of Smiles. The Land of Smiles is Thailand. Cravers, it's different from our adventure previously. We will attend a festival na usually it happens once a year lang. And it is one of our bucket list na mapuntahan. This is from the north side of Thailand. They call it the new city, Chiang Mai, Thailand.
Hello, Thailand!
Yun! So guys, we book our trip via Qatar Airways. So Doha to Bangkok po yung nabook namin. And it's quite expensive rather than going to Philippines, Doha to Philippines. Siguro mas mahal ang pamasahe going to Bangkok, Thailand kasi mas touristy at it's one of the laging pinupuntahan ng mga foreigners. Siguro, comment down below kung tama yung aking naiisip. Kasi it's just 6 hours flight rather than going to Philippines 9 hours. Mas mahal siya. Anyway, we are going for this trip because of our bucket list. And also my birthday gift to myself, birthday trip po ito. And together with my close friends. And also maybe this is our perfect time to breathe, mag-distress sa exhausting world of working. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming experience and travel. This is only day 1. Suportahan niyo rin po yung mga succeeding videos. And yala, let's start our day 1 Craven Tours. And officially, nakababa na kami ng airplane sa Suvarnabhumi Airport, Bangkok, Thailand. Our first official picture. After immigration, hinanap na namin yung aming Klook booking po ng SIM card. 15 days only call and only internet po. It cost 1,138 po during nung nag-book kami. So, it depends. Tapos, sa may exit area na po ito. Paki-follow na lang po yung direction ng Klook para mahanap niyo po yung booth. Sa rating ng SIM at internet connection neto, 4 out of 5. Very good siya. Helpful. Kung gusto niyo po malaking palitan, Happy Reach po for money exchange. Nasa pinakababa po ng airport. So kung gusto niyo mahanap to, you can ask na rin po yun sa mga securities po. Yung mga bantay din po doon sa airport. Alam po nila yan. And guys, if you are planning to withdraw na lang po sa ATM, pwede naman po siya. Meron lang po siyang charge na 220 baht per transaction and may limit din po ng perang mawi-withdraw. As you can see po sa screen natin and for your awareness na rin po. So after that, while waiting for our flight, local flight from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, nag-breakfast na rin po kami sa Starbucks. And pumasok na rin po kami for boarding time. And nag-wait na lang kami ng konti and then 1 hour din kasi ang biyahe from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. And guys, kung pupunta kayo ng Lake Ratong and Sky Lantern on that day din ng event, mag-book na lang kayo ng advance car airport transfer to hotel. Kasi mahirap, madaming turista. Thank me later. As you can see in the video, pila po yan ng car. Even though 10 minutes away lang from airport yung hotel. So madami talagang may kailangan ng car. Hello Cravers, ang hotel naman namin ay nabook sa Agoda. So Agoda, baka naman. So we booked 2 rooms, 4 nights yon, cost ng 10,933 pesos. Accessible to all places na po yun, walking lang po talaga sa mga puntahang mga lugar sa city. So maganda yung place. And yung nabook namin walang elevator, so kailangan buhat-buhat. Siyempre, nag-book kami ng medyo mura-mura lang. And tipid-tipid lang tayo guys kasi mahaba yung ating vacation. Yung staff ng hotel, very helpful, tsaka ang babait nila. Meron ding malapit na mga kainan, tapos may mga ding 7-Eleven convenience and yung mga different temples na balak yung puntahan. Malapit na lang po, walking distance na lang. We're happy sa aming hotel. For the hotel stay rating, I will give them 8 out of 10. Unmentioned pag nag-book kayo pero may free breakfast. So guys, before the event or the festival, maghanap na kayo ng car service para meron kayong service papunta at pabalik ng hotel. Kasi traffic, madaming turista, mahirap ang car. Merong festival na nag-o-offer ng kasama na yung car papunta sa event at pabalik sa city. So guys, based on my experience, before kayo mag-book ng event ng Lantern Festival, before kayo pumunta, mag-pre-book na rin po kayo ng car service. It depends on the event kung meron silang free transport papunta at pabalik ng city. But for me, better na mag-book na lang kayo ng car service yung sarili nyo para comfortable kayo at hindi rin kayo napipila ng mahaba and hassle-free talaga. Kung gusto nyo pong makuha yung details and information po ng car service na binook namin, it costs us 2,000 baht. Back and forth na po yun sa hotel. And kayo na po bahalang mag-negotiate po sa kanya. Comment down below na lang po para maibigay ko yung number po nung car service. For our tickets, we book through Klook. So baka naman, Klook talaga naman. So Loy Krathong Lantern Festival 2024. As you can see, without transfer. So, better po na mag-car service po kayo para less hassle na rin po sa inyo. It costs 4,174 per person in our booking. Cravers, yung nabook namin is isa sa mga small event lang po ng Loy Krathong Festival. So, if you want to attend the biggest event na nakikita nyo po sa mga TikTok and all social media platform na madami talagang lantern na biggest event talaga, yung Chiang Mai Lantern Festival, or CAD na tinatawag nila. Ngayon pa lang, as much as possible po, mag-book na po kayo, mag-check na po kayo para po maka-attend kayo. Unlike us, na late na po kami nakapagplano and na-book namin ito sa Klook. Pero better book. Kung yung big event po yung gusto nyo pong i-attend, book early. Pagplanuhan po ninyo kasi malaking event po ito. But this small event na to, na-book namin is still a magical one. Makikita nyo po sa video namin, napaka-magical. So, kailangan every detail ng event ay makuhanan ninyo, makakuha ng picture as a memory po, as an experience guys. So guys, dito na tayo sa event place and ayan pila po. Pagpapaano ng ating mga vouchers, kuhanan po ng tokens na yan, binibigay po nila mga keychains. Loy Krathong Festival at Horizon Village, Chiang Mai. So, 15 po yung event na inattendan namin. Kahit may jetlags pa kami, pagod and everything, sinugod na namin po yung event on our day 1. Ito po ang aming ticket and as follows, i-showcase namin yung event po sa inyo. Hello Cravers! Welcome to Loy Krathong and Sky Lantern Festival 2024. On this street, ito yung pinaka main area nila papunta sa entrance. I believe this is sa may Thai buffet dinner area nila. So as you can see, madami nakapila. So yung buffet nila, pila din as the usual buffet kung anong gusto mong food and part na rin siya ng package. So ito yung kanilang schedules kung anong gagawin for tonight. And then yeah, this is the area for the event. So madami silang prepare for us like foods and gaming area, massage area as you can see. So, ayun guys, enjoy the vibe lang, kain lang ng kain hanggang mabusog kayo. Madaming foods. Ito yung may massage din po sila. Part of package po yan. 10 minutes massage. And more food lanes, stalls. And then, every part, may mga pare-parehas lang din yung food. So, pila lang po tayo. Machi-check nyo naman kung same stall or same food naman po yung meron sila. So, hindi ka mauumusan. Ikaw na yung magsasawa talaga.
ก็ย่อมเป็นไปได้
แน่นอนประมาณอยู่แบบอิสตันบูลตุรกี
ตุรกีนะคะแต่วันนี้อยู่ที่เชียงใหม่นะคะโดยสเก็ต
The Longer Talk ceremony.
Buffet
And also after you have the very good dinner, the delicious local food in our market, don't forget to use the free things. This come with your wristband.
Yes.
It is one กระทง for one person. So
ด้วยการกินอาหารจากร้านนาสตรีทฟู้ดนั่นเอง แล้วหลังจากนั้นเดี๋ยวเราเตรียมตัวจะชมกับการแสดงนะคะของเรียกว่าพื้นบ้านของภาคเหนือหลากหลายของเขา都是精彩表演特别是泰国北部的传统舞蹈所以今天大家会享受到泰国的文化北部的传统舞蹈所以希望大家跟我们度过一个美好的夜晚。然后呢，我们就在大门口看欣赏我们的烟花表演是在7:50，千万不要错过。
So as you can see in the video, madaming mga ibang lahi ang pumunta dito. So they want to experience din yung vibe and experience ng Lantern Festival. So madami kayong mga foreigners.
in our Wakatum Festival, Horizon Village, Chiang Mai Province, and for sure, on our main stage in about 20 minutes, 6:40.
Guys, meron din silang na-prepare na festival gaming booth. Merong mga iba-ibang klaseng games dito. Then, may mga prizes na dolls and toys. May nakita nga ako dyan, may prize pa na labubu. So, ayan, as you can see, more food stall. Meron sa labas, meron din sa may looban. So, madami din tao, madami din mga turistang nag-attend.
In there, or just sit and looking, something is very nice. British Country Mall. It is located behind the Sporting London area.
Itong area yung sinasabi ko sa may looban na kainan. So, meron silang mga table and chair compared dun sa napuntahan namin. So, okay na din naman. Same lang din yung food and just enjoying the vibe here. So, meron silang mga ganyan, mga flowers na binuo nilang ganyan. That's the stage. Yeah, madaming mga bisita, madaming mga turista.
So, you see our nationality in our and 740, I would like to gather all of you guys. This is a significant gathering. You can go over there. แล้วก็เขาเริ่มปลื้มปิติใจเนอะในงานวันกระทงเฟสติวัลที่ Horizon Village จังหวัดเชียงใหม่บอกเลยว่าครั้งนี้เนี่ยแบบว่าจัดยาวกว่าปีที่แล้วด้วยแล้วก็
Noodles.
to become your MC throughout this auspicious night.
10 minutes daw. Tikman mo na. Halo-halo. So ayun guys, back to the stage area para mapanood yung cultural and traditional dance. And yes guys, papunta na kami sa kuhaanan ng Sky Lantern. And yung Loy Krathong, tatanungin namin saan namin makukuha.
Where is this located? Where?
8 p.m. over there. Yes, and now you can go like
Where can we get there?
there and go ahead.
Okay, straight ahead. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, balloon exhibition. So if you're interested in you can go at the area cafe. So right after this.
เขตเชื่อมต่อของโลกมนุษย์และสวรรค์ตาพิมลามีลีลาเยื้องยาก
So on the way na po kami papuntang kuhaan ng Loy Krathong and para maipa-float na rin po sa running water.
Ayan yung nangunguha ng ano. Yes.
Video pala yan.
Video. Sabi.
Para sa lahat, malaman natin, ang Loy Krathong ay made from banana leaves, flowers, candle, and incense sticks. Tapos yung pinakapuno ng banana, yun yung parang floater niya.
Thank you. Nag-wish ka ba? Bye-bye.
Bye wish.
Hello guys! Done na.
Hello Cravers! Comment below and let me know where you're watching from. I'm excited to see where in the world my video reaches. Thank you so much Cravers! So Cravers, the most awaited place and location na huli natin pupuntahan, ang place kung saan magpapalipad tayo ng Sky Lantern. So guys, kayo na pong bahalang manood and how we prepare ourselves for this magical night.
Are you ready for fireworks? Let's go! Don't release. Just ignite, but don't release. Wow. So I give you guys 2 minutes more to ignite your lantern.
Okay.
Are you guys ready? sing some song, Uncle. Let it go. You do bad things out of your life, and I hope you get a wealthy from the Horizon Village Resort as well.
希望大家对我们今天的放松健康兴趣无限深刻。希望接下来的活动
Village Resort as well.
希望大家对我们今天的放松健康兴趣无限深刻。也希望在未来的活动再给大家。
Your lantern as well, and you use it. So you look at the sky, you see the moment. This is memorable. This is a commemoration.
是好美好美的天空。
To the sky, then up to the wind. You will float away all. You take my hook to fire and make some.
希望大家都对这个活动放天好喜欢，是吗？
Distinguished guests, do you like it? Can you make some noise?
So Bravers, medyo nag-crave ulit, nabitin, bumili kami ng isa pang lantern para naman magkaroon kami ng proper picture taking and group picture and as a group lantern na rin po. Paano kasi guys, jet lag and pagod din kami, ang bilis ng pangyayari. So may mga shots na hindi kami na shots na maayos. So very magical, very happy kami.
Kahit pagod.
Hello Cravers, huwag niyo muna pong stop. Meron pa pong video, a little bit video, tips namin po pag pumunta kayo ng Loy Krathong Festival. Before that, like, share, and subscribe na rin po. And don't forget po to comment if you have any questions. And subscribe na rin po and get notified. Thank you Cravers. Hello guys, just an advice to those who plan to do engagement proposal. Please do prepare everything para perfect yung proposal po ninyo. For these two couples na nagpa-picture sa amin to take picture on their engagement proposal, sana makita nyo po tong video na to. And they are Asians actually. So I hope that YouTube can do their thing. Then these two couples may watch this moment ng kanilang engagement proposal. Because as far as I know, they don't have that video that catch their engagement proposal. So for those who are planning to do engagement proposal at this kind of event, please do prepare yourself. And yes, hopefully they can watch this video. Congratulations to both of them.